Okay, so sorry about that, but you see those little thingies, those dots? That's the rain that just started. And so I can't open the window right now because it's still raining. And so we just passed a house that had a very, very bad accident. A tree fell onto its roof, and that's what happens in the hurricane. So you may see on the road that it is really, really wet, and you might see other like really bad stuff that happened. So if you see right that the tree, the oak tree that just the birch tree that fell, that's one of the bad things. And if you saw on the news earlier that the stuff that
look at that.
The other trees, the trees are falling everywhere, as you know, if you saw on the news.
Our Japanese maple didn't.
Stop. As you know on the news. But if our Japanese maple fell, we would be very sad. And we have a tree that fell near our house, but
really near. It could have crushed it.
Yeah, and if it fell the other way, it wouldn't have did that same thing. It crushed the house, the roof.
Right through the roof.
Yeah, and luckily my room has no trees near it.
Yeah, we could take you to see the tree, but it's going to be dangerous.
Yeah, very, very dangerous because there might be splinters, so.
Hey guys, let's go.
I'll